dawn we rise so high, to the enchanted grove where secrets lie. With hearts of gold and spirits bold, we'll find the tales the old bards told. Through misty woods and emerald green, the magic flows in every scene. With every step the winds do sing, feel the pulse of nature's ring. We march on fate's grand course, through valleys wild on untamed horse. With every step the winds do sing, feel the pulse of nature's ring. We march on fate's grand course, through valleys wild on untamed horse. With ancient roots and hidden lore, unlock the grove and so much more. Of the ancients guide our way, with every dawn and break of day. In labyrinthine mazes we won't stay, our spirits bright will never sway. From towering peaks to rivers deep, the quest will free what once did sleep. With swords and spells our paths align, in the twilight hours our fates we bind. We march on fate's grand course, through valleys wild on untamed horse. With ancient roots and hidden lore, unlock the grove and so much more. Deep, the quest will free what once did sleep. With swords and spells our paths align, in the twilight hours our fates we bind. We march on fate's grand course, through valleys wild on untamed horse. With ancient roots and hidden lore, unlock the grove and so much more.